here today at ParkMall as we stretch our legs a little bit as we witness the first ever joint dog walk organized by the United Canine Club of Cebu. So what activities are in store for us today? Let's take a look.
Nasi Blake dito.
Okay, so we're joined here now with non-members ni sila. Wala silang mga org, di sila member of a club, but they're here today kay mga dog lovers lang yun. Is that correct? Okay, so we're here now with Roy Lapis. Roy, how did you hear? Ano na lang, first of all, for those mga tao dito, mga dog owners na dili member of an org, how do you learn about mga activities like this?
Actually, since bata pa ko, dog lover na ako. But, karon nga nanak ko sa saktong I think being a dog owner is a big responsibilities nga how to grow sa mga imong mga pets. At the same time, blessing po nga sa among balay, nami daghan sa mga silingan mga dog owners. At the same time, actually, nami trainer.
So, kuyog ninyo sa kanilang grupo-grupo, why nga ninyong grupo lang ninyo? Nga, come together lang mo, kay dog lovers mo, dog owners mo, magkuyog-kuyog mo mga activities pareha, correct?
Yes.
Okay. So, mga silingan mo taran?
Oo, silingan rami. Actually, naami grupo nga. Amo lang gitawag na mo nga All-Star Canine Club. So, narana sa among subdivision. Yes.
Okay.
So, ako po na introduce ang trainer na mo, si Lito.
Oh, Lito. Nice to meet you, Anya. So, ikaw trainer, ani tanan mga ero, dire?
Actually, ako na silang tuluan, ang owner, para makabaw sa sila.
Okay. So, again, for those of you out there na tao ninyo nga, wamoy org, or wamoy club, tao ninyo, di mo ka-fit in of another club, parihayan nila, just get together with people who love dogs, just get together with people who have dogs, first of all. And wanna join mga activities like this, correct?
Yes.
Okay, so thank you very much, Roy. Nice to meet you.
Asa to?
Often ba niya, pirmi ba niya mo isuroy ng mga dogs? Kung yung mga dog walk?
Yes, every Sunday, especially at our club, which is Talisay, every Sunday mag-dog walk dyan mi. Sometimes, di dyan mi makaadto kay sometimes busy especially sa school, or sometimes na iguato nun, but basta nagi tayo mo mag-appeal mi sa dog walk sa mong club.
Tanang ni mo, sa may advantage or sa may parang ni mo, para sa iyo nga mo attend na ni mga dog walk?
Well, I've observed na kanang sometimes na mo idala mukan nindot sila mo socialize na sila sa ubang tao ba then dinagi sila maihasa paano bang tao then di sa sila kanang mo hadlok sa ibang iro ba then a good thing to ma-socialize sa ubang dogs ba kay sometimes they tend to be aggressive good kung dili sila ma-socialize ba.
Correct. Kung anad sila around other dogs or other people, mas friendly din na sila. Sorry. Sakto. Salamat kayo. Thank you kayo for taking the time. We're now here with the president of Cebu South Dog Club, Guilliam. Roque. Welcome, sir.
Hello.
You're also one of the organizers, I understand, of the joint dog walk right now?
Yes, that is correct. This is actually the dog walk. The crowd right now is composed of 10 different organizations. Okay, 10 different clubs, organizations in which we have titled or named the consortium of 10 major dog clubs here in Cebu as UC3. UC3 stands for United Canine Clubs of Cebu.
So this is a new club?
It is fairly new. This is the very first event of UC3.
Very nice. I would like to ask now, what made you come up with that group and come up with this activity here?
Okay. Some dog clubs, which is now a member under the organization of UC3 or United Canine Clubs of Cebu had been existing here in Cebu for quite a while already. Like Cebu South Dog Club has been existing since 2009, and then ever since there haven't been a dog walk, different clubs, different organizations do their activity, do their dog walks separately. So while I was talking with Cebu Shih Tzu Club and Cebu Siberian Husky Club, they invited me to have a joint walk with 3 clubs: Cebu South Dog Club, Cebu Shih Tzu, and Cebu Siberian Husky. And then it just came out of the idea na why just 3? If we can invite more or all clubs or organizations or dog advocates here in Cebu, and that's what happened around first week of February. This event is actually just the very first event and less than 2 weeks preparation.
Very nice. I mean, it was all very exciting. A lot of participants here. How will other dog clubs be part of this United Dog Canine Club that you're mentioning now? Is it possible for other dog clubs to join?
Well, of course, they are still minor or smaller clubs. Any dog clubs, any dog organizations is very much welcome and invited. Just contact. We have a page in Facebook. Just kindly search in Facebook as Cebu South Dog Club, and we're gonna take care of who's going to contact us and introduce it probably on the next meeting of United Canine Clubs of Cebu.
I know this is a relatively new group or a group of groups, so to speak. But
Confederation, something like that.
yes, exactly. Yeah. Do you have scheduled activities already? I mean, what are the upcoming activities, or what do future members or what do the members expect to have?
Yeah. Currently, we have this. All our viewers can probably search again in Facebook for Bark for Love. Their event is Bark for Love, and Bark for Love. It is supported by United Canine Clubs of Cebu, and sometime here in September 21, there will be a Wayak Day. Wayak is worldwide group to end animal cruelty. Okay, it's something like of an Earth Day in every place, in every capital city of the world. They're gonna show participating groups or advocates towards animal cruelty, and then it will be featured globally. Okay, and this year, that's one of the main purpose of UC3 gathering today, is that UC3 or United Canine Clubs of Cebu will be trying to attempt to break the record and to set the record straight here in the Philippines, the biggest dog walk, the biggest gathering, not just here in Cebu, definitely not just here in Cebu, because typical like this we already had put into the record, but entire Philippines, probably in Asia, and probably hit the mark of the Guinness Book World of Records.
So we're looking at this in September in the future. Okay, and in 2012, just to be clear. Okay, so something to look forward to for all our viewers.